Hi, I'm Christina with Nationwide Medical, and here's a quick little troubleshooting tip for you. So frequently, the adapter to your mask will get stuck in your tubing. The adapter is the little plastic piece that connects your mask to your tube. They are designed to disconnect very easily. So for instance, with this mask, if I pull, the adapter will frequently get stuck in the tubing. The easiest way to remove it is to just bend the tubing away from the mask and take it all out as one piece. If it does happen to get stuck in there and you try to put a new mask in, you'll get frustrated because the new mask will not fit. So as long as you're aware now that there is an adapter in the way, it's a very simple fix. Just bend the tubing away. Hope that helps. Have a great day.